Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I made this glam wall decor and 2 wall sconces to match using these wood blocks. I'll be gluing all my wood blocks together with hot glue, and of course, if you guys are going to recreate this project, then I suggest using a stronger adhesive. For this part right here, I suggest gluing a corner piece last so that way it's easier to glue the block down. Okay, so I got everything all glued together and most of the pieces have 2 layers, and I made one with 3 layers, and that's because I already had some left over from a previous project. Next, I'm painting all my wood blocks with this DECOR acrylic paint in the color Ebony Black. I'm finally done painting all my wood blocks, and now they are all dry. I have a few pieces here that have 2 layers and also a few pieces that have 3 layers. I didn't fully cover the bottom of some pieces because they will not be showing. Now it's time to decorate. I'll be using these square mirror tiles and also these rectangular mirror tiles. I'm gluing a square mirror tile to each corner and then a rectangular mirror tile in the centers. This is what my piece is looking like so far, and if this is looking a little bit familiar, that's because I previously did a project similar to this, and here is the inspiration photos / thumbnail if you guys want to check that out after this video. I'm done gluing all my mirrors to my blocks. Now I'm just going to clean them off before proceeding to the next steps. For this next step, I'll be gluing 4 pieces together. This is how it should look, and I'm repeating those same steps once again. So now I have 2 of those pieces, and I'm flipping them over to add more stability so they don't fall apart. These are just popsicle sticks that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I cut some of them in half, and I also used that same black acrylic paint that you guys seen a little earlier in the video. I'm using these popsicle sticks to help hold my wall decor together, and I'm making sure I glue the black side down so the colors don't show through the cracks. So now that this step is done, I'm cleaning my mirror tiles off once again. Then I'm going to flip these pieces back over and then add the pieces with the 3 layers. I had to hurry up and take this apart before the glue dried because it just wasn't aligning properly. It's actually better to glue the blocks together than glue the popsicle sticks to the blocks. I'm adding a popsicle stick to the pieces with the 3 layers as well. I flipped it back over and now I'm adding the final 3 pieces to the front. I added 2 additional rectangular mirror tiles to the front, and I just placed 2 LED push lights on top of the foam board, and OMG, just look at how expensive these look. Please like, comment, and share, and if you're curious to see what else I can create, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss my next video.